Example 2. Find the value of the polynomial p of x is equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7 at x is equal to 1. So, finding the value of x, p of x at x is equal to 1 means replace all x by 1. So, it is p of 1 is equal to 5 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 7 which is equal to 2 plus 7 which is equal to 9. 5 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 7. So, 5 minus 3 plus 7. 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 plus 7 is 9. Zeros of a polynomial. Let p of x be a polynomial. Then if c is a 0 of p of x, then p of c equal to 0. P of x is a polynomial, then if c is a 0 of this polynomial p of x, then p of c equal to 0. Consider an equation p of x is equal to x plus 1, and if x is equal to minus 1, p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 which is equal to 0. So, what we can say is minus 1 is a 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to x plus 1. Next, as a note, a non-zero constant polynomial has no 0. A non-zero constant polynomial, that means if p of x is equal to 2, then it has no 0. Then every real number is a 0 of a 0 polynomial. If the polynomial p of x is equal to 0, then every real number is a 0 of this. Next, example 3, check whether minus 2 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial x plus 2. P of x is equal to x plus 2. Let p of x is equal to x plus 2. Check whether minus 2 and 2 are zeros. When x is equal to minus 2, what we have to get is equal to 0. When you replace x by minus 2, you have to get it as 0. So, p of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 2 which is equal to 0. This implies that minus 2 is a 0 of p of x, or minus 2 is a solution of this, or minus 2 is a root of this. Next is 2 is a 0. You have to check whether 2 is a 0 of this. So, p of x is equal to x plus 2. So, what you have to find is p of 2 which is equal to 2 plus 2 which is equal to 4, not equal to 0. So, what we can say is 2 is not a 0 of this polynomial. Then find a 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x plus 1. If you want to find the zeros, what you have to do is equate it to 0. P of x is equal to 0. So, we can write 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So, 2x is equal to minus 1. So, x is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is the answer. Find a 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Equate p of x to 0. So, 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So, 2x is equal to minus 1. So, x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Then exercise 2.2, first question, first subdivision. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equal to 0. What you have to do first is let p of x is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. What you have to find is find the value of this polynomial at x is equal to 0. So, p of 0 is equal to 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3, which is equal to 0 plus 0 plus 3, which is equal to 3. So, what we can write is p of 0 is equal to 3. This is the value of this polynomial at x is equal to 0. Then find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2 for the polynomial p of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. So, p of 0 is equal to 0 minus 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1. So, what we can write is p of 0 is equal to 1. Then p of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 1 plus 0, which is equal to 1. So, the value of this polynomial at x is equal to 1 is 1. Similarly, p of 2. P of 2 is equal to 2 square minus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 4 minus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. So, p of 2 is equal to 3, 2 square minus 2 plus 1, 4 minus 2 plus 1. So, 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. Then verify, third question, verify whether the following zeros are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. P of x is given as 3x plus 1. We have to check whether x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of this. So, p of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. So, what we are getting is minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 0. So, what we can say is minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of this polynomial p of x. So, what we have done is we have replaced x by minus 1 by 3 and we got the answer as 0. So, what we can say is minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of the given polynomial p of x. Next is p of x is equal to 5x minus pi equal to 5 into 4 by 5 minus pi. We have to replace x by 4 by 5. 5 and 5 will be cancelled, 4 minus pi, it is not equal to 0. So, what we can say is 4 by 5 is not a 0 of p of x. Then 7th question. P of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. We have to check whether this is a 0. So, what you have to do is p of minus 1 by root 3 is equal to 3 into minus 1 by root 3 whole square minus 1, which is equal to 3 into minus plus, because minus 1 whole square is plus 1, then root 3 whole square is 3 minus 1. So, when you cancel this, you are getting it as 0. So, p of minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of the given polynomial. Then find the zeros of the polynomial. Polynomial is given as p of x is equal to x plus 5. For finding the 0, you have to equate p of x to 0. So, p of x is equal to 0 implies x plus 5 equal to 0. This means that x is equal to minus 5. Fourth subdivision, p of x is equal to 3x minus 2. Here also you have to equate to 0. So, 3x minus 2 equal to 0. 3x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 by 3. So, homework exercise 2.2, first question, second and third subdivision, second question, second to fourth, third question, third to eighth, and fourth question, second, third, fifth, sixth and seventh.